Altcoins have been under a lot of pressure over the last couple of days, and you can see that in the price of Ethereum. It has come down from $47.88, not points, dollars per coin, down to $43.18 at the moment. Now, the good news is we have wicked down, but we are currently bouncing back up. The bulls are trying their best to fight the bears. And with that, the overall altcoin season is still looking very good, with Ethereum having gone from $1,300 to the current $4,300 over the last couple of months. As it continues to rise, I believe that altcoins in general will rise and rise even faster. Now with that, we're going to be talking about some of the best altcoins to buy as Gemini joins Coinbase and Bullish on Wall Street. Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now, these are the best altcoins to buy as Gemini prepares for IPO. And to set this stage, it says Gemini has secured a $75 million credit line from Ripple as it gears up for initial public offering, or IPO, a move designed to bolster liquidity and shore up confidence. The exchange is following in the footsteps of Coinbase and more recently Bullish, both of which saw their Wall Street debuts fuel fresh waves of adoption and investor optimism. IPOs, besides raising capital, bring greater transparency and mainstream visibility to the sector. In this climate, top altcoins like BEST and Hyper look especially well positioned to ride the momentum. Now, Gemini tapping the Ripple credit line as IPO strategy takes shape. And if you guys remember, right, Coinbase launched, it was very volatile into the bear market that took place after the 2021 rally. Of course, came down to like $30, now trades above $300. If you look at others like Circle, guys, those in a matter of days went from $30 per share, well above $130 per share. The IPO market, the stock market, is ready for Gemini to launch its IPO. And with that, altcoins could soar on the new, fresh optimism. Now, yes, I do believe that Best Wallet, it is an excellent wallet to use. If you guys need to download it or want to try it out, you've got a link for it down in the description below so that you can see how good it is. And I also believe that Bitcoin Hyper, being one of the fastest layer 2 blockchains for Bitcoin, is an excellent opportunity as well. But I want to position myself in a very high risk, high reward opportunity that is launching soon, because I believe that Ethereum is going to be rising again and very quickly. This blue line is an all-time high. Very quickly, in the next couple of days or week, hitting this all-time high, causing investor optimism and a soaring altcoin season. Token 6900 only has 9 days and 21 hours left in its ICO, and I will be buying even more. I'm going to add more of this to my portfolio today, and I believe that this is an excellent opportunity for, yes, a very speculative, very high risk, but extremely high reward opportunity leading into one of the biggest and fastest and most raging on bull markets that we have ever seen. So as you read through and you see that these cryptocurrency companies are going public, raising potentially billions of dollars in valuation, as you see that altcoin season is full swing, right? We're trying our best to break new highs in major alts like Ethereum. And as you even see on the daily here, look, over the last hour, everything is in the green, trying its best to rise as the bulls beat out the bears. I love the 56 on the Fear and Greed Index, shows that we've got so much room to run. 41 on altcoin season shows that we aren't even at the beginning stages yet, and we've got a lot of upside potential. And of course, tokens like Token 6900, which claim to be nothing but a pure meme, show some of the biggest potential gainers in this space. If you look at SPX 6900, guys, this token has increased 54 million% since it launched in 2023. 54 million%. Now, this was a pretty annoying coin for those that bought and weren't willing to hold more than a year. But then look how it paid off. We are talking about substantial, life-changing wealth for those that were simply willing to buy a little bit and wait for it to happen. Think about it, guys. 3 zeros and a 17 to $1.40 at its current price. We're talking massive, massive potential. 10,000x gains. $1 invested turning into 10 grand simply because you were willing to wait. It doesn't have to be, guys. You don't have to go out there and invest $1,000 and turn it into 10 million. No, absolutely not. $1 invested would have been $10,000. You don't get these kind of opportunities in multi-billion-dollar tokens. You have to be willing to take a risk. And I have made that decision for myself. I am willing to take a risk. Is it with my entire portfolio? No. But I do dedicate a portion to these brand new tokens that are highly speculative but offer some incredible rewards, because I believe that the bull market is upon us, and I believe that we are going to rise and rise fast. So let me know what you guys are buying down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.